Hi guys, welcome back. Today I felt interested in talking about number bases, more properly known as radixes, or just radix, but don't really need to use that name, I don't think, unless you're a math geek or something, which you might be, but I will use number base because it's simpler and because I'm used to it. So number bases are basically a set of characters, a set of digits that people use to represent numbers, like base 2, which is binary. Most people use decimal, which is base 10. It has 10 unique digits. Binary has 2 unique digits. Hexadecimal, another one, has 16 unique digits. Uses 0 through 9 and the letters A through F. And yet you can use whatever characters you want to in a number base system. You could use 0 through 9 and the entire alphabet, the entire Greek alphabet, the entire Russian alphabet, the entire Cyrillic alphabet, Klingon alphabet. It really doesn't, or even special symbols like hashtags, punctuation marks. I wouldn't use punctuation marks because that could get kind of confusing, mathematically speaking at least, but you can draw your own characters as long as you know what regular numbers are equivalent to. So like if you wanted to put hashtag in a number system, you'd have to know, okay, this is hashtag equals 17 or whatever, so you could keep track. And as the second part of this video, I wanted to explain how this works, like how you can convert one number into another. So I'm going to start by explaining how you convert a decimal number into a binary number. Let's pick the number 20. And I actually like this one because it's kind of funny how it turns out in binary. So in order to convert 20 in decimal into a binary number, you first need to figure out the biggest power of 2, which is how many digits you get in binary, the biggest power of 2 that you can cram cleanly into 20, which would be 16. That is 2 to the 4th power. Yes. So you want to start off with a 1. Okay, that's 1 times 2 to the power 4th. You can fit into 20, that's 16. And then you're left with 4 that you have to put a power 2 in. And since 4 is just 2 to the power 2, you can put a 1 there as well if it's once in there. And since we have skipped 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 1 and 0, you end up with 10100, and that is 20. So you can do that with pretty much any number. You can go from base 10 to base 2, base 3 to base 7, pretty much anything, as long as you're keeping track of how many of a certain number is going into another one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will answer them in the comments or make another video elaborating on this topic more. So I will see you next time, and I hope I was clear about that.